I believe these cards are from the 19th century, and there's a bunch of spot cards here, and there's also 4 extra spot cards, but these are the aces. Now, watch this. I am going to leave the spot cards aside for a moment, and the aces I'm going to place in this formation, which is generally called the T formation, the ace of spades being the leader card. And these cards I'm going to place on each ace 3 spot cards. There's 3 here, 3 on this ace, 3 on this ace, and 3 on that ace. But watch, because if I do this, watch closely. Watch this. Watch this closely. Watch this. Watch this closely. And if I square these cards, the aces I am going to remove from here and make join over here, which means over here these are now spot cards, and over here we now have